Randy!
Was that the video or not?
Whatever.
Was that the video or not? The timing? Was that the video? That was chat! No way! No way. What? The frame perfect smash input! Someone signed this guy up for ESL StarCraft! He's insane! Please don't scare me, don't scare me, don't scare me, don't scare me. Don't scare me.
Did I jump scare you? Yeah, I bet I did. You coward. You make me sick. Your weakness is pathetic.
You're on a game in front of my friends.
I don't even know what you screamed at!
People were playing sound alerts. The context here was I was playing Pokemon Randomizer on like 4 hours of sleep. It was way too late. So I got a Poliwag. I named it Dix. No, it was different. I named them balls, blue balls. What's the difference? What am I even? What's the timing? Oh, what is this timing? Wait.
Their right mind with frosted cake with their balls.
What is this?
Oh god.
No!
Going blind.
No! No! What? I feel like... Never mind.
Cancelled.
Never mind, chat. Alright, your dream is coming true. I sure hope dream isn't coming. What the frick?
Send her to the horny jail.
True.